Draw learning. Today we are going to draw a teacher while we learn Spanish. Now we draw the ears. That is said, orejas. Now we draw the hair, which in Spanish is pelo. Mouth in Spanish is said, BOCA. Let's go with the eyes. That in Spanish is said, OJOS. Very good. We draw a tie. That in Spanish is said, CORBATA. We draw the arm. That is said, BRAZO. We draw his briefcase. That in Spanish is said, MALETIN. And now we draw the hand. That is said, MANO. Very good. We draw the blackboard. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say blackboard in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use this color for skin. Skin in Spanish is said, PIEL. Now we use the brown. That is said, MARRON. Very good. Now we use gray, which in Spanish is gris. Now let's go with the green color. That in Spanish is said, verde. Let's see if you know the answer. Blackboard in Spanish is PIZARRA. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.